here. So over now to declaration. Apologies, first of all. Apologies. Ymddiriadau. Terry Mendes, unrhyw un arall? Chamberlain Jones.
Jeanette Chamberlain Jones.
Michelle Walker.
Michelle Walker is online. Councillor Mervyn Parry. Any other apologies? Councillor Mitri, Bodlewyddan. No other apologies.
Hugh Evans yma heddiw.
Councillor Hugh Evans here today. I can see Councillor Gareth Sandilands and Councillor Ann Davis, Councillor Hugh Williams on the screen. I haven't seen Councillor Hugh Evans so far. Okay, now to item 2, declarations of interest. So over to you, Steve. Thank you, Chair.
Members be aware of the requirement under the Council's Code of Conduct to declare any personal or prejudicial interests in respect of any business to be considered at today's meeting. Such interest should be declared now or as soon as the council affected becomes aware that they have a personal or prejudicial interest in today's business. All members declaring an interest are required to state clearly what the interest is and to advise whether there's a personal interest or a personal and prejudicial interest as defined in the Code of Conduct. Any member declaring a prejudicial interest is required to leave the chamber or the meeting, if on Zoom, for the duration of the business and can take no part in the proceedings. Members with a personal interest only may take part in the debate and any vote. If a personal and prejudicial interest is declared today that has not previously been disclosed and recorded, the councillor concerned will be required to complete and sign a declaration of interest form, which is available from committee staff here today.
Diolch yn fawr. Os oes rhywun
Thank you very much. Anybody want to declare an interest? No. Thank you very much. On now to urgent matters, as agreed by the chair. No one has given me any urgent matters beforehand, nor you either. Okay, thank you very much. Item 4, minutes of the previous meeting. We'll go through them. Page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10, page 11, page 12, page 13, 14 and 15. Somebody willing to propose that these are correct record? Thank you, Councillor Wynne. Thank you, Peter, for seconding. Everybody in agreement? Everybody in agreement that these are correct record. Thank you. Matters rising, please. We'll go page by page, page 7. Congratulations to Peter, who is here today as Deputy Chair, Vice Chair. Page 8. Election of leader. Any matters rising from that? Page 10. Annual review of political balance and appointment of scrutiny chairs. That's been discussed. Any questions on that? Appointment of members to the Standards Committee. Anybody have any comments on that? No? And then appointments of members to the Governance and Audit Committee. I'm hoping that that's happened by now. Any questions? Constitution guide and update. And urgent matters as agreed by the chair. Any question about that? No. Excellent. We'll proceed. Thank you very much. We're now going on to item 6. We want somebody to propose that we go to confidential item.
Seconded by Councillor John Butterfield and the Vice Chair. All in agreement?
Thank you very much. So we go on now to item 6 on the agenda, appointment of corporate director. Apologies, I've skipped one. Item 5, County Council Forward Work Programme. Thank you, Chair.
The work programme for this council is on page 17, item 5. The next meeting is on the 19th of July. It's a special meeting, but it's an ordinary business agenda. It is a rather large agenda, Chair. I've not seen an agenda with 10 full items on before. I don't know whether you would be happy for us to limit that, and if there are any particular items that you would really want to see. Items which weren't taken could be taken to the next meeting. I think 10 items would probably be
Too much.
Yeah.
Rhy ormod. Iawn. Felly newn ni drafod hynna nes ymlaen yn ystod yr wythnos.
Later during this week. Thank you very much. So now we go to part 2. So can we have somebody to propose that again, please? To proposed. Emma is seconding.